as with anything, I believe that everyone should focus on their job, right? So if you're building a blockchain, you need to be focused on security and scalability. This is your product. This is what people are paying you gas and mining fee for. So this is your core product. For us, it's not our core product. We are using a blockchain and we are a layer on top of that, right? So it's our job to develop a network and an ecosystem and bring in users and companies and provide incentives for everyone to play together using our protocol, using our system. If we don't feel like we get the security and the scalability that we need from our blockchain supplier, then we would consider migrating to a different blockchain. Security, while it is of great concern to everyone, needs to be worked on by the people who are in charge of that. Now, specifically in the DAV Foundation, we actually have people from Ethereum who are experts in that, in the Ethereum virtual machine, in the Ethereum name server, in core parts of Ethereum. We need that knowledge to know how to make use of that, of Ethereum properly, and how to save gas, and how to make sure that we're using this tool optimally.